Hello there guys, today I've got the JVC speakers. It's a car speaker for the Astra H. So here's some details. It's a CS-J1720X, and then it's got 4 other cars as well. So you've got a list of all these cars. 300 watts. So you've got more details here. So you've got all these other cars, the models, the type. Okay. And here's the setup, how you would do it. And most of the cars, they've got that. And then the back. So I got this one from Amazon. So I'll give this a try, see how it is. I'm just open this now. So there you go, you've got the speakers there. On the other side you've got your other speakers, so you literally just split it open. There you go. Here's the back of the speaker. So there it is, that's the speakers. So you've got the little tweeters in there. And then here's the back, so you've got more details here. You've got the peak power of 300 watts. And you've got the model. And here you've got the connectors, so you've got the plus and the minus one here. And it does also come with some wires, so let's just set it onto it. And then you got all these as well, so you've got these connectors too, so you got the screws and everything when you need it. And it also does come with some adapters. So this is the adapter for the Astra H. And you also get a wire with that. That's the adapter wiring. There it is. So here's something like this. Okay, so that's everything that comes with the speakers, and hopefully I will try to do a fitting video. So with this, this is what you will get. So basically you just get the adapters, the wirings, some more wirings here. So this was the other one as well. There it is. You got the 2 speakers. So that's everything that's in the box. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.